Welcome to Global Eats Uncovered. Hello, culinary explorers and history buffs. Welcome back to Global Eats Uncovered, the ultimate place to discover the delicious foods that have shaped the cultures of nations all around the world. If you're someone who loves traveling through food, learning the history behind beloved dishes, and discovering how traditional meals tell the stories of their origins, you're in the right place. In today's episode, we're taking you on a journey around the world to uncover the stories behind traditional dishes from every country. Every country has its own unique story to tell through food, and every traditional dish carries with it centuries of history, culture, and meaning. From ancient recipes passed down through generations to more modern culinary creations, each dish is a reflection of the people, the land, and the times in which it was made. Let's dive in and uncover the fascinating stories behind the traditional dishes that continue to shape the culinary traditions of every corner of the globe. 1. Italy, the birthplace of pasta. A journey to the heart of Italian cuisine. Italy is a country known for its rich culinary heritage, and no dish is more synonymous with Italian cuisine than pasta. Pasta has become a global favorite, but its origins date back to the ancient civilizations of the Mediterranean. The story of pasta. The exact origins of pasta are widely debated, with some tracing its roots back to the ancient Etruscans or even the Greeks, who had a form of noodle-like dish. However, it was in Italy that pasta, as we know it today, truly took shape. The development of pasta was heavily influenced by the availability of durum wheat and the country's culture of using simple, quality ingredients. By the Middle Ages, pasta had become a staple of Italian cuisine. The most famous pasta dish, spaghetti alla bolognese, hails from Bologna and is often misunderstood outside of Italy. The rich meat sauce known as is paired with spaghetti, although the authentic version is often served with tagliatelle pasta. Modern influence. Pasta has become a central ingredient in kitchens around the world, with variations like macaroni and cheese in America, ramen in Japan, and stir-fried noodles in China. The tradition of pasta making in Italy has evolved into a beloved culinary art form, and its influence continues to shape food culture globally. 2. Japan, sushi, the art of simplicity and balance. Japanese cuisine is known for its simplicity, precision, and balance. One of the most iconic dishes to emerge from Japan is sushi, a food that has not only become a global sensation, but is also deeply intertwined with Japanese culture and tradition. The story of sushi. The origins of sushi date back to the 8th century, where it was initially a preservation method for fish. Fish was salted and wrapped in fermented rice to extend its shelf life. Over time, this method evolved into the more familiar form of sushi we know today, especially during the Edo period, 1603 to 1868, when fresh fish began to be used. Sushi, as we know it today, consists of vinegared rice paired with a variety of ingredients such as raw fish, vegetables, and sometimes fruit. The artistry and delicate preparation of sushi, particularly nigiri and sashimi, have made it one of Japan's most beloved foods. Modern influence. Sushi has become a global phenomenon, with sushi bars and restaurants found in almost every corner of the world. While the traditional sushi making techniques are still revered, modern variations like sushi rolls have been embraced worldwide, showcasing the adaptability of this ancient dish. 3. Mexico tacos. The perfect bite of tradition. Mexico is home to one of the most flavorful and vibrant cuisines in the world. Among the many traditional dishes that are beloved worldwide, tacos stand out as a symbol of Mexican food culture. The story of tacos. The taco was thought to have originated in Mexico long before the arrival of Europeans. Early forms of tacos were made by the indigenous peoples of Mexico, who used corn tortillas to wrap fillings like beans, squash, and fish. After the Spanish introduced meats like pork and beef, tacos evolved to include a wider range of fillings. Tacos were traditionally eaten as a street food by working-class Mexicans, and have since become an international favorite. The crispy taco shell, however, is a modern invention, as the original taco was always served with soft, freshly made corn tortillas. Modern influenced tacos have become a symbol of Mexican street food worldwide. Variations like tacos al pastor, marinated pork, and fish tacos have become popular, and the taco's versatility has made it a favorite in countries around the world, from the United States to South Korea. 4. India curry. A spicy journey through Indian history. Indian cuisine is a treasure trove of spices and flavors, and no dish represents the rich history of Indian food better than curry. The term curry refers to a wide range of dishes from India, each with its own blend of spices and preparation methods. The story of curry. The roots of curry can be traced back to ancient India, where complex spice mixtures were used to create flavorful stews and sauces. The word curry itself comes from the Tamil word curry, which simply means sauce or gravy. The British encountered curry during their colonization of India in the 18th century and brought the concept back to England, where it evolved into the curry dishes we know today. Indian curries typically include ingredients like turmeric, cumin, coriander, and garam masala, and are often accompanied by rice or bread like naan. Vegetarian curries like dal lentil curry are staples in Indian homes, and the use of yogurt and cream adds richness to dishes like butter chicken. Modern influence. Curry has become a global phenomenon, with Indian curry houses found in nearly every country. The concept of curry has been adopted and adapted by various countries, from the Japanese kare to the Thai green curry, and the British chicken tikka masala, which has become a British national dish. 5. Greece. Moussaka. Layers of history and flavor. Greek cuisine is renowned for its use of fresh, seasonal ingredients, and one of the most iconic dishes that has stood the test of time is moussaka. This dish, with its rich layers of flavor, tells the story of Greek culinary history, incorporating influences from the Ottoman Empire and ancient Greek cooking traditions. The story of moussaka. The modern version of moussaka, a layered casserole with eggplant, minced meat, and sauce, has its roots in the Levant. However, the ancient Greek dish, known as lajonin, bears similarities to moussaka, consisting of layers of dough and meat. The more familiar version of moussaka was popularized by the Ottomans in the 19th century and quickly became a classic dish in Greek cuisine. Moussaka is typically made with lamb or beef, but variations using vegetables like zucchini or potatoes are also common. The dish is rich and hearty, making it a beloved comfort food. Modern influence. Moussaka continues to be a favorite in Greek households and restaurants worldwide. Its layered structure and savory flavors have inspired similar dishes in other Mediterranean and Middle Eastern cuisines, such as kalsamashi, stuffed zucchini in Lebanon, and pasticcio in Greece, which is often described as a Greek lasagna. 6. Thailand. Tom yum. The flavorful hot and sour soup. Thailand's cuisine is known for its vibrant flavors, and one of the most beloved dishes that embodies Thai cooking is tom yum, a spicy and sour soup that captures the essence of Thai flavors in one bowl. The story of tom yum. Tom yum, a soup made with shrimp, mushrooms, lemongrass, and chili, originated in central Thailand. The name tom refers to the boiling process, while yum refers to the spicy and sour flavor profile. The soup became popular in Thailand due to its bold flavors, combining sourness from lime and tamarind with the heat from chili and the freshness of herbs like cilantro and kaffir lime leaves. Tom yum was traditionally served with shrimp, but modern variations include chicken, fish, or tofu, making it a versatile dish enjoyed by people of all dietary preferences. Modern influence. Tom yum has become a symbol of Thai cuisine worldwide, appearing on menus in Thai restaurants around the globe. Its combination of spicy, sour, and aromatic flavors has made it one of the most recognizable soups in the world. 7. Ethiopia. Injera and Dorawat. The heart of Ethiopian cuisine. Ethiopia's food culture is centered around communal eating and bold flavors, with injera and dorawat at the heart of Ethiopian cuisine. These dishes not only represent Ethiopia's culinary traditions but also offer a window into the country's rich history and culture. The story of injera and dorawat. Injera, a sour, spongy flatbread made from teff flour, has been a staple in Ethiopia for centuries. The dough is fermented, giving it its signature tangy flavor. Injera serves as both the plate and the utensil, with diners using pieces of injera to scoop up other dishes. Dorawat. Dorawat is a spicy chicken stew made with berber, a blend of spices, garlic, ginger, and hard-boiled eggs. It is often served during special occasions such as holidays and celebrations and is considered one of the most important dishes in Ethiopian cuisine. Modern influence. Injera remains the centerpiece of Ethiopian meals, and dorawat continues to be enjoyed during special occasions. Ethiopian restaurants are becoming increasingly popular worldwide, bringing the rich flavors and communal dining traditions of Ethiopia to global audiences. The timeless flavors of tradition. The stories behind traditional dishes from every country are as diverse as the cultures they represent. From the rich flavors of Italian pasta to the bold spices of Thai tom yum, food serves as a living testament to the history and traditions of ancient civilizations. These dishes have survived centuries of change and continue to bring people together, offering a delicious taste of the past and the present day. Which of these traditional dishes would you love to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Global Eats Uncovered for more exciting journeys through the flavors of the world.